Hey y'all, so I'm just starting off by spraying the edge of my frontal. This is one of my frontals that I sell on my custom wig units. You can purchase that by DMing me right now. But yeah, I'm just going to start off by just spraying the edge of the lace and the edge of the hairline so that all of the hairs can easily just comb back and none of them will get bleached. Take a paper towel and I'm just going to wipe all the excess water off of this. I'm also going to wipe out my bowl and wipe out my applicator brush. You just want to make sure everything is just dry and ready for use. This is the powder from the beauty supply store that I do like, and I'm going to go in with 40 Developer. I know a lot of people don't use this, but see, when I'm in the salon, I have a lot of clients and I don't have time to wait a whole 30 minutes. So I'm going to show you how to use the 40 Developer with the BW2 to get the perfect lace bleaching. So, okay, so you see how in the BW2 it comes with, also you guys, I like to just fold this over when I'm working. It creates less mess. But it comes with this scooper thing. Yeah, it comes with a scooper thing, whatever. A measuring cup basically. So I'm gonna take this measuring cup and I'm just gonna scoop out. For each frontal, I say just one scoop is good. Sometimes not even that, but one full scoop is good for each frontal, because you want the consistency thick, but you don't want to waste product. Like, so I have one scoop, and look what one scoop gets you in your bowl. And you're gonna take one scoop of your Developer. I didn't pour all of it in there, but you see the measurement. And I'm gonna pour it in there, right? Then I'm gonna take another scoop of the Developer and not really pour it in there. So you just want to see how much you're pouring and mixing, because you want your consistency thick. So I'm just gonna go in and I'm just gonna mix this up. You're gonna take your brush with the Developer on it, with the mixture on it, and I'm just gonna lightly place it and spread it. You don't have to be rough. And if you do end up needing more Developer, you can make another batch. This is why I say one bowl is good, because you still have a little bit extra. One scoop of bleach is good for a frontal. So I don't have my aluminum foil with me right now, so I'm going to take this, because now it's time to work on the front. And I'm going to place this down, and then I'm just going to go ahead and place this on the plastic bag like this. So now for this part, you want to make sure you have your napkin. You want to make sure you have your napkin. And then I'm just going in and I'm just cleaning off anything that might have got on there. You want to make sure you have your spray bottle, which I barely have water in. And you want to go back in and just touch up your edge. If you don't feel comfortable just spraying, you feel like you want to spray too much, spray your comb. So I'm spraying my comb, and I'm just gonna lightly comb the hair back. Now you have to watch this because it bleaches very fast. Like 40 Developer don't play. So if you pass the 30 Developer, you want to brush, you get 40. This is how you're gonna bleach with the 40. And it's really just about pulling the hair back. You don't have to do this with a comb, you can do this with your hands too. Take the hair and just pull it back, and it's gonna pull the hair back. I hope you guys can see. Let me zoom in a little bit more. You're gonna take your finger, I hope you guys can see the hair, and you're just gonna pull the hair back. Pull it back, 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 pull it back. You see a spot you missed, just go back in. Now, for me and my frontals, I like it to see through just a little bit, because them knots gotta go, baby. So you also can check in to see. Oh, I got a little bleach in this glove. Like, that's what you have to pay attention to. You have to pay attention to your hair. Also could check in, make sure there's no extra hair getting bleached. That doesn't need to be bleached. The only thing getting bleached now is your knots. Okay. I say we wait about, I like to wait until I can see no knots at all. So the way you tell by that is if you just pull the hair apart, and you go automatically see if the knots is bleached. If you can see here, there's knots still showing here, no knots up there. So we need the knots in the back to be bleached. Okay, y'all, so sorry if there's an echo. I am in my bathroom. The knots are very bleached. Yeah. And this is how I like them. I like them to be extremely bleached. Sorry about my dog in the back. We're just gonna run some cold water, because the cold water is going to stop, you know, the bleach from processing. So just run cold water on. And these are my bleach knots. They yeah, so this is the finished look of the frontal bleaching. Hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys got, you know, some notes from this video on how to bleach your frontals without any leakage, or bleaching it. Why I can't speak? Bleaching it with 40 developer. I know, like, some people are really scared of using 40 developer because of the way that it processes. But if you do these steps, you should have a good processing of using 40 developer. As you can see, there's no knots showing. I put my hand through it, looks like scalp. And also it matters what type of frontal you have. Your frontal quality has to be good. Like, that's just it. It has to be good. As much as you want to try to make something not show and not go through and bleach it 2-3 times, your frontal quality has to be good. So anyway, you guys, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and definitely check out my other videos. Love you.